the variable I'm looking for is the base. So let's write this in exponential form. X to the negative 3 2/10 equals 915 thousandths. Now I'm going to need to take this we find the reciprocal here. I'm going to raise this to the negative 1 over 3.2 power. Negative 1 over 3.2 power. That'll give me x equals, and x will equal then, the negative 1 means it's the root, so the negative 3.2 root of 915 thousandths. This becomes my exact answer. This is my exact answer. And when I grab my calculator, I find out that x is approximately 1.0281. Now we're going to find the time or rate of each investment to grow to a specified amount. The W represents an unknown principal. The first one, we have ended up with $1 million. We started with 10,000. So this is compounded annually. So this is the million would equal 10,000 times 1 plus 0.0775, and that would be divided by 1, so I didn't put it there, and we need to find the time t. I'll start by dividing by this 10,000, and I'll end up with 100 equals 1 and 775 10,000ths to the t. If I take the log of each side, find the log of 100 equals the log of 1.0775 to the t. We move the t in front, so I'll have t times the log of 1 and 775 10,000ths equals the log of 100. And my exact answer would t equals the log of 100 divided by the log of 1 and 775 10,000ths. That's my exact answer. When I grab my calculator, I find this equals 61.6955 years, or we're just going to round that to 62 years. We have, starting with W, we want to double that, so it's 2W at 12% compounded monthly. How many years will that take? Well, we'll start with, we end up with 2W equals W times 1 plus 1200ths divided by 12 times 12t. Divide by W, we'll end up with 2 equals 1 plus 100th, 1200ths divided by 12 to the 12t. Take the log of both sides. We'll have log of 1 and 100ths to the 12t equals log of 2. Move the 12t in front using the rules for logarithms. 12t times log of 1 and 100th equals log of 2. So where it turns out that t equals log of 2 divided by 12 times the log of 1 1/100. That would be my exact answer. And when I go ahead and do that division, I find out t equals 5.8 years or 70 months. In the last row here, now we're looking for the rate. We end up with our ending balance is going to be 2,500 equals 1,000 times 1 plus r over 12 raised to the 8 times 12 power divided by 1,000. 2 5/10 equals 1 plus r over 12 to the 96th. And what we'll do is take the 96th root of both sides. We'll equal 1 plus r over 12 equals the 96th root of 2 5/10. So r over 12 equals the 96th root of 2 5/10 minus 1, and then multiply by 12. So r equals 12 times the 96th root of 2.5 minus 1. This is the exact answer. When I go ahead and use my calculator, I find out that r is 11.5%.